Deep inside the tropical forests of Central America, thousands of years ago, something extraordinary was waiting to be discovered. Hidden among the green leaves was a small fruit that looked ordinary. But inside this fruit was a tiny bean that would one day become one of the most loved foods on earth. A bean that would travel across oceans, enter the homes of kings, and eventually become the chocolate we enjoy today. This is the incredible story of chocolate. Long before chocolate bars, cakes, and desserts existed, there was only a mysterious tree called the cacao tree. Growing in the warm rainforests of Central and South America, this tree produced colorful fruits called cacao pods. Inside these pods were small seeds known as cacao beans. At first, ancient people did not know what these beans could create, but slowly they discovered a way to transform them. They collected the beans, fermented them, dried them under the sun, roasted them, and crushed them into a paste. When mixed with water and spices, it created a powerful drink. But this was not the sweet chocolate we know today. It was bitter, rich, and unusual. Yet ancient people believed they had discovered something truly special. Thousands of years ago, the Olmec civilization of ancient Mesoamerica became one of the first cultures known to use cacao. Living in what is now Mexico, the Olmecs discovered the value of this mysterious bean. They saw cacao as more than just food. It was something rare, something valuable, something connected to their beliefs and traditions. The knowledge of cacao slowly spread through ancient civilizations. And centuries later, the Maya people gave chocolate an even deeper meaning. For the Maya civilization, cacao was considered sacred. It was not an everyday drink. It was used during important moments, celebrations, ceremonies, and gatherings. Maya people prepared a drink called xocolatl, meaning bitter water. They mix cacao with ingredients like chili peppers, vanilla, and spices. Imagine tasting chocolate thousands of years ago. There was no sweetness, no creamy texture, only the powerful flavor of cacao, believed to connect humans with the spiritual world. For the Maya, cacao represented life, wealth, and power. Later, cacao reached the great Aztec Empire. To the Aztecs, cacao became one of the most valuable treasures. It was so important that cacao beans were even used as currency. People could trade these tiny beans for goods. Owning cacao showed wealth and status. The Aztec Emperor Moctezuma II was believed to drink cacao regularly because people thought it gave strength and energy. The Aztecs believed cacao was a gift from their gods. But soon, this ancient treasure would begin a completely new journey. In the 1500s, European explorers arrived in the Americas. They discovered cacao and brought it back across the ocean to Spain. At first, Europeans were not impressed by the bitter drink. But then, they made a simple change that transformed chocolate forever. They added sugar, they added cinnamon, they added milk. Slowly, the bitter drink became sweeter and more enjoyable. Chocolate became popular among European royalty. For many years, it remained a luxury that only the rich and powerful could afford. But chocolate was about to change again. During the 1800s, new inventions helped create the chocolate we recognize today. Machines allowed chocolate makers to produce smoother and better quality chocolate. In 1828, a Dutch inventor developed a method to create cocoa powder. Later, chocolate makers learned how to create solid chocolate bars. Then, in 1875, Swiss chocolatier Daniel Peter created milk chocolate by combining chocolate with condensed milk. Chocolate was no longer just a drink for kings. It became a treat enjoyed by people around the world. But behind every chocolate bar is also a story of hard work. Millions of farmers around the world grow and harvest cacao. For many years, cacao farming has faced challenges, including unfair working conditions. Today, many people are working to create a more ethical chocolate industry where farmers receive better support and the environment is protected. From a tiny bean hidden inside a rainforest fruit to a sacred drink enjoyed by ancient civilizations. So, the next time you eat a piece of chocolate, remember you are not just tasting a sweet treat, you are tasting the journey of a tiny bean that changed the world.